99% of people can't do this in 5 seconds. Can you? Before we begin this video, here's a quick challenge. Can you tell me the value of 86 times 84 in just 5 seconds? The answer is 7224. I know many of you may have found it difficult to calculate that so quickly, but I'm starting a series on mental math, and with some practice, and by following this series, you'll be able to solve problems like this even faster than a calculator, at lightning speed. Yes, even quicker than the snap of Thanos. You'll be able to impress your friends and look smarter in front of them. So, are you ready? Let's start with a very basic trick, multiplying any two-digit number by 11. For example, how would you multiply 43 by 11? Sure, you could use the traditional school method, but it takes longer. With this trick, it's super fast. Write 4 and 3, and in between, write their sum. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That's it. The answer is 473. Simple, yet incredibly quick. Now try 54 times 11. Write 5 and 4, and in between write 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Easy. But what if the sum is 10 or more, like in 68 times 11? Write 6 and 8, and in the middle write 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Carry 1 and add it to 6 to make 7. So the answer becomes 748. See how fast that was? You might think these tricks only work for specific numbers, but that's not true. This is just the beginning of mental math. Since this is part 1, many more tricks are coming. The same trick also works for three-digit numbers. For example, 352 times 11, write 3 and 2. In between, first add 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, then 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So the answer is 3872. If any sum is greater than 9, just carry over as before. For example, 574 times 11, write 5 and 4. In between, write 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 and 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Carry 1 to make 5 into 6, and carry another 1 to adjust the next value to 3. The final answer is 6314. Amazing! We're still faster than a calculator. Now let's move to the next trick, multiplying two-digit numbers that have the same first digit and end in 5. For example, 75 times 75. You might feel stuck at first, right? Here's the trick. Multiply 7 by the next number, which is 8, to get 56. Then simply add 25 at the end. The result is 5625. Try another one. 35 times 35. Multiply 3 times 4 is equal to 12, then add 25. Done. Faster than a calculator, right? Now tell me in the comments, what is 95 times 95? Ready for the next trick. This one is for two-digit numbers where the first digit is the same, and the last digit adds up to 10. For example, 44 times 46. The first digits are both 4, and 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Multiply 4 by the next number, 5, to get 20. Then multiply 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Combine them to get 2024. Pretty cool, right? Now try 67 times 63. Multiply 6 times 7 is equal to 42, and 7 times 3 is equal to 21. So the answer is 4221. Awesome, we're still beating calculators in speed. Now tell me in the comments, what is 79 times 71? You're already calculating like a human calculator. Finally, don't forget to practice these tricks. You'll only get faster with time. If you enjoyed this trick, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.